G'day, welcome to the workshop safety unit. What I've done here is put some topics together to show general safety, how to use machinery, how to use power tools. One thing we're going to start doing is introducing a QR code. You'll see on some of these here and around the workshops, QR codes are going to be put next to hand tools, next to drills, any type of machinery you use. It'll cover across from carpentry, plumbing, refrigeration, electrical. The main thing I want you to do is before you use that bit of equipment, look at the QR code and follow the little video. It's not going to be very over the top. It's just going to explain the basics of how the tool works. If you've watched it, then at least you've got a bit more confidence on understanding how the tool works. All right. If you have any other issues that you feel like might need to be added to this topic, let me know. You'll see me around the corridor. I'm in electrical. I'm trying to make this so that everybody has a safe and knowledgeable time in the workshop. Okay? All right. Yeah, talk to you soon.